So on this question, Caitlin has a bag of marbles, 3 blue, 1 white, 2 red. Find the following probabilities for Caitlin drawing given marbles from the bag. If they're not returned, here's the key phrase, not returned to the bag. So this is not returned to the bag. Okay, so she's drawing out, it says a blue and then a red. So, okay, so we have red, white, blue. It's a patriotic bag of marbles. So we have red, white, and blue. So we get red, white, or blue. And then the second draw, we get red, white, or blue. Whoops, I need to make that more narrowed. I'm not going to have room. Yeah, I need to space this out more. Need more space. Okay, let me try again. Let's turn down here, and then right here. So red, white, blue. And then the second draw, red, white, blue. And then red, white, blue. Red, white, blue. Okay, so first draw, second draw. So, okay, what's it now? She has, so let me just show what's in the bucket there. So 3 blues, we got blue, 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 1 white, and 2 red. Okay, so therefore, if she, what's the chance of getting red the first time? Well, it's, and there's, that was at 3, 4, 5, 6 total. 6 total marks. So chance of getting red is 2 out of 6. Chance of getting white is 1 out of 6. Chance of getting blue is 3 out of 6. That's the first draw. That's the first draw out of the bag. But then over here on the second draw out of the bag, remember, we're not returning. You're not returning to the bag. So there's going to be 1 less marble in the bag the second time. So if you go this way, you got red out. Remember, you always move through the table from left to right. If you go this way, you got red out the first time. What's the chance you're going to get red the second time? There's only going to be, if you got rid of one of these red marbles, you see that? There'd only be 1 red left out of 5. There'd still be 1 white left out of 5, and there'd still be 3 blues left out of 5. Right? That's what would be in the bag. If you got a red out on the first draw, you would have 3 blues, 1 white, 1 red left. So 3, 1, and 1 out of 5. Whereas if you got white out the first time, get rid of the white, then you got 3 blues and 2 reds left, no whites at all. So 3 blues, what am I doing? 3 blues, 2 reds, no, 0 out of 5, no whites at all. Huh. That makes sense? That's if you got white out the first time. You have 3 blues and 2 reds. 2 reds, 3 blues, no whites. Whereas down here, if you got blue out on the first draw, take out one of the blues, you'd have 2 blues, 2 reds, 1 white. So 2 blues, 2 reds, 1 white. You see. All right. Now, they're asking, what's the chance of blue then red? Blue then red? That's right here, right? Blue then red, that's 3, 6. You multiply as you go from left to right through the tree. So 3, 6 times 2 fifths. So this would be 3, 6 times 2 fifths. Hit the buttons on your calculator. I'm going to get 0.2 on mine. Next one, ask the question of a red then a white. So red then a white, 2, 6, 1 5. Right, red then white, 2, 6 times 1 5. What is that? I'm getting 0. Oops, I got a funny looking 0. 0.0, and then just like 6 is forever. You just type in 3 or 4 decimals is fine. And then the last question is a little tricky. Blue, blue, blue. They want 3. So I've actually got to come down here. I got to do a third branching. You see this? Let me get rid of this right here. Let me just clean this up. I got to come, let me try it again. Blue, blue, blue. Because you could get on the third draw a red, a white, or a blue. This is the third draw, right? They're doing a third draw. So this is tricky. Hold on. So originally, let me go back. Let me do this really clearly. So first time you draw out of the bag, you got 2 blues, sorry, 3 blues, 2 reds, and a white, right? That's first time. But then the second time you draw, you got a blue out. We're assuming you go this way. You got a blue out the first time. So get one of these blues. You've got 2 blues, still got 2 reds, and a white. You got 5 total marbles now. Back here you had 6 total. And then when you reach in the third time, we're going this way. You got a blue and a blue, right? We're saying you got a blue and then another blue. You take out another blue. Now you got only 1 blue left, 1 white that's been there all along, and the 2 reds that have been there all along. You've got 4 total marbles. So when you reach in the third time, having taken out a blue the first time and a blue the second time, you've only got 1 blue marble left. The white that's been there all along and the 2 red, you got 4 marbles. So the chance you're going to get blue the third time is only 1 out of 4. Right? Red would be 2 out of 4. White would be 1 out of 4. But we really don't care about those because we want this right here. We want blue, 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 which would be 3/6 times 2/5 times 1/4. Do you see that? That's the chance of blue, blue, blue. Because there's 3 out of 6 blues originally, but then we take 1 out. Now there's 2 out of 5. And then we take another 1 out. There's 1 out of 4 blues left. Blue, blue, blue. There it is. So it's going to be 3 out of 6 times 2 out of 5 times 1 out of 4. Hit the buttons on your calculator. I'm getting 0.05. There's a low probability of getting blue, blue, blue. There. Oh, they want reduced fractions. Sorry, I didn't notice that. So if you reduce this fraction, I better be more careful. It's 6 over 120, which is 1/20th. This one should have been, let me go back and fix these now, 2/30th, which is 1/15th. And then this one up here is 6/30th, which is 1/5. And so there we go.